In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then tap on Biometrics and Password, select Face Unlock, and enter your screen lock. Following that, scroll all the way down and click on Start Inputting to begin. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!